Okay, next I need to divide the batter into 7 equal parts because each cup that I'm filling here is going to represent 1 full pour on one side. So each of these cups I'm going to be dividing into 4 equal parts. I'm going to be alternating colors, so 2 of these will be colored in black, 2 of them I will keep white. And then I'm going to alternate the pours, black, then white, then black, then white, and then I go to the other side, as you'll see in the video ahead. This is charcoal that I'm mixing in for my black. I'd mix the charcoal in olive oil, so it's kind of pasty. Now I've tilted up my mold on the pliers, so there's a slight tilt, and I begin my pour. Now I'm going to do my next full cup, dividing it into 4 equal parts, and I'm going to color 2 of the portions with black again, and the other 2, instead of being white, will be orange. And the orange I'm getting from infused paprika in oil. Now I'm going to switch the tilt to the other side and then pour from the opposite side. Alternating, starting with black again. I always started with black, and then the orange, black, orange. So I switch sides again for the pliers, giving it the opposite tilt, and I'm going to divide 1 full cup into the 4 equal cups again. This time we'll have the 2 black and the 2 white. So I'm always pouring the black and white on one side, and I'm always pouring the orange and black on the other side. And I'll just continue to do this until all 7 cups are used up. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in a faster speed so I don't bore you with all the details. did go ahead and gel this, and it is now the next morning, and I'm getting ready to cut my soap. And the design turned out pretty nice. I was pleased with how long my recipe stayed very fluid. To keep it that fluid, I had used organic lard that I had rendered personally from a local farm as 50% of my total oils. I find the lard really helps keep my recipe slow moving. Also, the essential oils worked really well and didn't accelerate trace or anything.